Takot ka ba na makapasok ang maling tao? Let me tell you about Vanessa and Aaron. They run a laundry shop. 6 years na, 9 employees, and it's doing okay. Everything was smooth until they needed to hire someone for the front desk. May nag-apply. Let's just call her Jessa. She was such a nice lady. Polite, with a retail experience. So, Vanessa liked her right away. And gustong-gusto na siyang i-hire. Pero yung husband niya, nako, si Aaron, hesitant. Sabi niya, I don't think she's the right one for the job. Bakit? Tanong ni Vanessa. Di ko alam, pero nasisense ko lang na merong kulang. Napaka-frustrated ni Vanessa. Hindi mo nga ma-explain kung bakit ayaw mo sa kanya. Tapos, ibito mo agad. Hindi naman fair yan. So, they fought about it and in the end, Vanessa hired Jessa anyway, hoping that she would prove Aaron wrong. So after 2 months, Vanessa saw that Jessa walked out. As it turned out, may attitude problem pala siya. Hindi niya alam kung paano pagsunod ng instructions and she even caused drama with the whole team. Mahirap yan, di ba? Lahat ng worries ni Aaron nagkatotoo. And sabi ni Aaron, hindi niya sinabing I told you so. Pero naramdaman to ni Vanessa. And from that point on, every time Vanessa suggested a candidate, Aaron would doubt her. Maybe this is another Jessa, sabi niya. Tapos si Vanessa naman, of course, na-hurt siya. And naging defensive siya kaagad. Sabi niya, kung ganun pala, you will never trust my judgment again. At dyan, lumawak ang gap between the two of them. So anak, eto ang lesson. Isang bad hire can create a permanent doubt between partners. Kapag hindi nyo pinag-usapan yung fear na magkamali ulit, it will poison every future hiring decision. Kasi, hindi na tungkol sa candidate it's about trust na. Kaya think about it. Remember, let's always be business-minded Pinoy.